I've temporarily taped up these 12 staves, and I want to test the assembly. So I'll try to lift this up and roll it. I guess I could have gone from the inside instead of the outside, but this is going to work. So let's see how this goes together. And then I have some expansion bands to temporarily hold this. Let me see if this will go around the. I'd like to get it down at the tape because these things can mark up the soft redwood pretty easily. So I'm going to try to get it down over the tape, and then I can just tighten one of these up. I tighten this one. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then see how this top works. Yeah. Okay. I've got these numbered also so that if they come apart at some point, I can get them back in the right orientation. But it looks like now what eventually I'll steam bend some wooden bands that wrap around this. It'll be something like a shaker oval box. Here's an example of a band that I've bent around this form, and these dryers are in here. So this is a maple band. So there'll be two bands like this with the finger joint, copper nails, and that's going to hold this thing together. I'm going to glue. Make the bottom. I have to make a bottom that's going to fit in here. And once I do that, then I can glue this and put these steel bands on there and let it dry. Then I can make those wooden bands to shape on here and to dry on here. At least that's the plan.